Alright guys, thanks for clicking on the video. In today's video we went and collected our SD card from our trail camera that we already had sitting during this storm. As you can hear the ice breaking behind me. We got that SD card and we also set out our new trail camera, so hopefully we can be getting a lot more photos and videos for you guys in these videos. So yeah, thanks for watching, enjoy. Alright guys, just now getting out of here. You can see you have a lot of activity around the trail camera. All of this. Oh yeah. Where's camera right here. Hopefully it's been picking up everything. They've been licking that salt block. Hopefully that's a buck too. Look at all that trails. There's been no shortage of activity right here, that's for sure. Alright, hopefully this baby turns on. It's been a negative 6-degree weather, so cross your fingers. Let's see. It's a little lower on the tree than I remember. Please don't forget a percent of battery. 80? Yeah, let's see what this is. 93. Definitely got some deer. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and grab the old SD card and put it in a USB adapter. Let's see. Hopefully this will take a 64 gig, because that's all I have and I really don't feel like coming back out here. So yeah, we're gonna put a new one and then we're gonna take our new trail camera to a different spot somewhere. The snow's really gonna allow me to see where these deer are moving, so yeah, let's put a new SD card in. Our new SD card in. It should be filming. We're gonna go find another spot to set a camera at, so we're gonna follow these prints all over the place, these tracks. Alright guys, we found a spot. There's a whole bunch of trails going this way, which is down by one stand, and then we got things going that way. I followed tracks. There's tracks all through here. You can see them, hopefully. Yeah, you can see them right over there, and then some go that way, but we got deer stands straight ahead of us, right there, and then we got another one down there. So this is a pretty good spot. We're gonna see what's coming through here by putting out a camera on this little tree right here, maybe, if it's big enough. But I think it's gonna capture the best view of these deer. So yeah, we're gonna get our new Cam Park T20 trail camera out and test her out right now. So yeah, let's set her up. Alright guys, she's all set up on this trail. Hopefully I'll see you guys in a week or two and we'll see what we got on it. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's go home and check out all the other videos. We had 93, I think. Hopefully we got some good deer in there, or maybe the buck shed and we can go shed hunting. Who knows?
Bye.